I'm Samir Kumar, Mentors Eduserv. I've known since childhood. All my three sisters studied from here, and all of them have qualified in IIT. I had enrolled in 5-year regular classroom program of Mentors Eduserv. I was selected in Mentors Achievers batch. At Achievers campus, we were provided a very disciplined and competitive environment. I personally think that this is best for this kind of examination. The classes were taken by experienced teachers. The frequency of tests was also very nice, thus enhancing our practice. It was due to this that I almost got same marks in JEE as I used to secure in Mentors Eduserv All India Test Series. We were also provided with regular doubt clearing session, leaving no confusion in our mind. The study materials, online weekly tests on JEE pattern, booster test, assignments, micro level test analysis and rank improvement package proved to be very beneficial and made me confident. The wholesome support provided by Mentors Eduserv also helped me to become NTSE scholar and qualify Astronomy Olympiad. I would like to thank Mentors Eduserv and my parents for their motivation and constant support which helped me to achieve success in JEE.